News of Prince's death shot to the top of the trending list on Twitter. Other musicians and celebrities sending out their condolences and memories. Let's get to Jeff Weinstein monitoring social media for us from the video court.
From the president to Oprah Winfrey, from Barbra Streisand to Gloria Estefan, the most popular theme on social media is mere shock. Let's take a look at some tweets. Katy Perry tweeting out, and just like that, the world lost a lot of magic. Rest in peace, Prince. Thanks for giving us so much. Darius Rucker, known as Hootie, once again, Heaven's Band just got even more incredible. One of my absolute idols. Thank you for showing me what greatness is. Lionel Richie tweeting out, I can't believe it. I'm in total shock. So many wonderful memories. I will miss him. And Barbra Streisand tweeting out, so sad to hear of his passing. According to TMZ, which broke the story earlier today of Prince's death, Prince was at a local pharmacy hours before he died. TMZ also reporting that it is the fourth time this week Prince had visited that pharmacy. We're live in the video port. I'm Jeff Weinstein, Local 10 News.